everyone, my name is Carolina Joyce Reyes, Bachelor in Secondary Education, major in Philippine. So our topic for today is all about the Module 1, Lesson 2, and that is the basic concept in ICT. So ICT means the information and the communication of the technology. So the terms and concepts in ICT. First, technology. So what is technology? Technology refers to a mix of process and products used in application of knowledge, for example, laptop and cell phone. Also, the usage of technology has some wonderful benefits. We use it almost every day. So the next one will be the ICT literacy. So what is ICT literacy? ICT literacy is an information and communication literacy, use of digital technology, communication tools and networks, that is to access, manage, integrate, evaluate, create, and communicate information in order to function in a knowledge of society. And also to determine the potential of ICTs and skills of ICTs users, their effectiveness for the economy and society. So the next one will be the educational technology. So what is the educational technology? It is refers to use of technology in teaching and learning. It includes both non-digital and digital. As what can you see at the example? The usage of this is used to support both teaching and learning technology infuses, and also the classroom with digital learning tools such as computers. And so the next one will be the digital literacy. So what is digital literacy? It is the ability to find, evaluate, utilize, share, and create contents using the information technologies and internet. Also to use information and communication requiring both cognitive and technical skills, as what you can see in the picture. So the usage of this is the students can move beyond the process-oriented understanding of technology and apply digital resources creatively. What is digital learning? It is the type of learning that is accompanied by technology or by instructional practice that makes effectiveness of use of technology, like as what you can see in the picture, the social media and the multimedia. So the usage of this is digital learning can enhance learning experience, save teachers time, enable the teachers to be better tailor learning to students' needs. The next one will be the online digital tools and app use an internet connection. It is a telecommunication application software product that specializes in providing a video chat calls between the computers, tablets, mobile phone via internet and regular telephones. And for example, this one is Skype and Google Meet. And the usage of this can make the persons communicate and through the online apps easy for this, especially in pandemics. So the next one will be the offline digital tools and apps, which means refers to situation where the program is not operating and taking in a new information in real time. It includes, for example, the Canary Learning, which allows offline access for students to write homework for the teachers to grade it. And the usage of this is the offline mode is to study enables direct interaction between the teachers and the student. So the next one will be the instructional technology, which means the theory and practice of design development, utilization, management, and evaluation of process and resources for learning. Like for example, is what you can see in the picture. And also the usage of this is to support both teaching and learning by infusing the classroom with valuable digital tools, expanding course offerings. So the next one will be software, which means it is refers to program control instructions and accompanying documents stored on a disk or tapes when not being used in a computer. Like for example is what you can see at the picture. So the usage of this is the ability to collect, analyze, present, and visualize data on the use of software applications. So the next one we have multimedia, which means it is a sequential or simultaneous use of a variety of in a given presentation or self-study programs. Like as what you can see at the example, for example text, sound, image, and the usage of this is used to develop special effects in the movies and video. So the next one will be the internet. So what is internet? It is a massive network of networks and infrastructure. It is a general millions of computers, as what you can see at the examples. It is circles of internet connection. The usage of this is to expand and boundaries every day as the technology growth is huge. Next one will be the World Wide Web, which means it is also called as web, is a graphical environment on computer networks that allows you to access, view, and maintain documents that can include text, data, sounds, and videos on the text. Like for example, is what you can see at the picture. The usage of this is easier for people to get information, share, and communication. So the next one will be the web access, which means it is the ability of learners to access the internet at any point during the lessons in order to take advantage of the array of available education resources. Also, as what you can see here at the example, it is the ability of individuals and organizations to connect to the internet using computers and terminal computers and other devices. So the next one will be the webcast, which means it is the inquiry-oriented lessons form in which most or all information that learners work with comes from the web. This can be includes links to websites. Like for example, is what you can see here at the picture, a math webcast. And the usage of this to research-based tool to help students learn more detailed information about being specific in the topic, and also to studies and creates a greater sense of importance of the study. So the next one will be the productivity tools, which means it refers to any type of software associated with computers and related technologies that can be used as tools for personnel, professionals, or classrooms activity. As what you can see here, the best productivity apps, and the usage of this is to good communication across all levels of your business, both internal and external. So the next one will be the technology tools, which means it is an instrument used for doing work. It can be anything that help you accomplish your goal with the use of technology. As what you can see here at the example, the usage of these is useful digital tools to expand learning opportunities for students and increase student supports and engagement. So the next one will be blog, which means it is an online journal where posted information from both teachers and students are arranged. There are three kinds, includes vlogs for communication, blogs for instructions, and blogs for both, as what you can see here at the examples. The usage of this can be used for anything that involves communicating or publish information on the World Wide Web. So the next one will have wiki, which means it is an editable website usually with limited access, allows us students to collaborate, create, post written works or digital file, such as digital photo or videos. As what you can see here at the examples of wiki is Wikipedia. The usage of this is a collaborative tool that allows students to contribute, modify one or more pages. So the next one will be the flipped classroom, which means utilizes a reverse instructional delivery, whether the teacher is required to use the web resources as homework or out of class activity as initial instructions of lessons, which will be discussed during class time. And for example, as what you can see at the picture, there are three types of classrooms. So the next one will be the podcast, which means it is a video or audio multimedia clip about a single topic, typically in the format of the radio talk show. These are the two basic functions, are the retrieve information and the disseminate information. As what you can see here, the example, these are the podcast. So the next one we have Google Apps, which means um, it is a cloud-based teaching tool which is stored in the Google server, and it's available for students both home and in school. Like for example, here at the picture is Gmail, Drive, or Calendar, etc. So the next one will be Vlog, which means um, it is a video blog where each entry is posted as video instead of the text. Like as what you can see here at the example, it is a video content. The usage of this is to design to share experiences, thoughts, and ideas with an audience. So last but not the least, we have here the trend Facebook. So what is Facebook? It is a popular social media networking site used by students and adults worldwide to present information on themselves on the world. And the example of this is here, Facebook. And the usage of this includes communication, collaboration, and material sharing. So, once again, this is Carolina Joyce Reyes, your instructor about the information communication of technology. I hope you learned something about the video. Bye!